In this video, we're going to quickly dive into how to use Apollo.io's Analytics Dashboard, one of the most powerful features of the software for streamlining your sales process. Whether you're new to Apollo.io or looking to maximize its potential, I'll break down exactly how you can leverage the Analytics Dashboard to get real-time insights into your outreach and prospecting efforts. By the end, you'll have a much clearer understanding of how to use this tool to drive more results. If you've never used Apollo.io before, you're in luck. You can get started for free with an exclusive bonus just by clicking the first link in the description below. Trust me, you'll want to stick around till the end for that. There's a surprise free trial extension waiting for you. Now let's get into it. Apollo.io's Analytics Dashboard is designed to give you visibility into key metrics that help you evaluate the effectiveness of your outreach campaigns. Right when you log in, you're greeted with a clean, user-friendly interface that shows you everything you need to know at a glance. One of the first things you'll see is your overall engagement and performance metrics. This includes how many emails have been opened, how many links have been clicked, and how your sequences are performing. It's a goldmine of data that helps you track what's working and what isn't, essential for any marketer or sales team looking to optimize their strategy. Let's talk about the key sections within the Analytics Dashboard. First up is the Email Performance tab. This section gives you detailed insights into your email campaigns, open rates, click-through rates, bounce rates, and more. This data can be broken down by individual emails, so you can pinpoint which subject lines and email content are performing best. If you're not seeing the engagement you want, this feature is crucial for adjusting your strategy quickly. Next, the Sequences tab gives you an overview of how your outreach sequences are progressing. You can see how many emails have been sent, replied to, and whether or not they've been followed up on. This breakdown is incredibly helpful for spotting trends in your follow-ups and tweaking them for better results. For example, if you notice that one of your follow-up emails gets the highest response rate, you can adjust the timing or messaging of your other emails accordingly. Another powerful part of the Analytics Dashboard is the Targeting section. This allows you to drill down into your target accounts and get specific insights about their engagement with your campaigns. Whether you're running a campaign targeting a specific industry or region, Apollo.io allows you to segment and filter your data to ensure you're hitting the right audience. You can track which segments are responding best to your outreach efforts and refine your targeting to increase your chances of success. Finally, one of my favorite features is the lead scoring tool, which allows you to measure how hot your leads are. Apollo.io automatically assigns scores to your leads based on how they engage with your emails. These scores can be used to prioritize your outreach, ensuring you're focusing on the leads that are most likely to convert. Now, as you can see, the Analytics Dashboard in Apollo.io isn't just a static report, it's a living, breathing tool that gives you actionable insights to continuously improve your outreach. And for those who want to take things a step further, you can also integrate Apollo.io with your CRM to sync your data and make sure you never miss a follow-up. Before I wrap up, don't forget that you can use Apollo.io for free with exclusive bonuses just for clicking the link below. This includes an extended free trial that gives you extra time to explore the platform and dive into the features we covered today. By using Apollo.io's Analytics Dashboard, you can significantly improve your outreach efficiency and optimize your sales process. It's all about understanding what's working and making the necessary adjustments to get better results. With the powerful analytics Apollo.io provides, you'll have the tools you need to take your outreach to the next level.